5:02, still no verdict. Deliberations in the Karen Reed murder trial are set to continue now into a fourth day.
Yeah, the jury clearly taking their time to examine the evidence, but now the question becomes, how much more time are they going to need?
So NBC 10's Alicia Palumbo joins us live outside of Norfolk Superior Court. Catch us up to speed, Alicia.
Well, Lauren and Raul, any attorney will tell you no one truly knows what's going on in any jury room. So while many legal analysts thought initially that possibly we'd have a quick verdict in this case, others say it's not surprising the jury is going into its fourth day of deliberations today. They say there could be a multitude of factors, from a holdout for guilty or not guilty to a group of jurors just wanting to make sure they've examined all the evidence and not missed anything that could sway their decision either way. After all, this is a second-degree murder case, and juries tend to take their responsibility very seriously. Add to that the fact that getting 12 people to come to a unanimous decision on anything can be difficult. Criminal defense attorney Peter Ellikin says after more than 70 witnesses and 9 weeks of testimony, these jurors have a lot to sift through to reach a verdict.
Keep in mind, we've all been talking about this case, gossiping about it, listening to experts. It's been very much in the news. The jurors have never been able to talk about this at all. They're forbidden to chat about the case. And this is the very first time they're sitting in a room, the 12 of them, and going over the evidence and chatting. And they must just be ready to explode with all this pent in them for the last, 9 weeks.
Now, coming up at 5:30, we'll take a look at how long other juries on prominent cases here in Massachusetts have taken to reach a verdict. We're live outside of Norfolk Superior Court. Alicia Palumbo, NBC 10 Boston.
Now, this trial has been going on for well over a month now. Now, people want to know, when could deliberations wrap up here?
That's obviously the biggest question. So we've asked our panel of legal experts on last night's edition of Canton Confidential. They say we may not have a jury decision until next week.
Absolutely. And I think the way that, especially since the jury has been ending a little bit early each day, they're really taking their time to go through the facts and go through the evidence. I would not be surprised if we're here Monday and Tuesday.
Well, a reminder, once there is a verdict, we'll have live coverage on air and online. And then tune in again tonight as we answer more of your questions about the trial on Canton Confidential. That's 7 o'clock right here on NBC 10 Boston.